Hi guys, so in this video we head over to San Lemire to do a nature trail and then on to Tunstall Beach. Let's do it. So for today's adventure we're going to do the nature trail at San Lemire, which is just near Tunstall. Looks like a woodpecker's been having a good go at this tree. So far, not seen any bugs or animals yet, but surely I must see something along the way. They've put different things on the trees for insects and bees, etc. to start nesting in, so I'll encourage them to come. There are also markers all the way around the nature trail so that you don't get lost. They're all numbered as well. So we've got a nice little stream just down there, running to the side of us. Surely I must see something soon. Maybe a deer, a frog, just anything. Just coming out of the forestry into the nice open air. Let's see what's around here, see if we have more luck. We've got an arrow just to make sure that we're going the right way, and there's also a sign here of some of the things that you might see along the way. Not seen any yet, but there'll be some, I'm sure. Also got a little nature hut. This is to encourage all butterflies, moths, bees, you name it. That's why they've got lots of little holes in the wood so that they can go in there and do whatever they do. Just a nice little 360 view of what the area is like. Still not seeing anything on the nature trail, but I can feel it's coming. Might as well hit the beach whilst I'm here. Looking a little grey over there, but never mind, shall be fine. And here we are, Tunstall Beach. It's one of my favourite beaches. It's brilliant, especially when the tide's out. You can see for absolute miles. That's the effects of coastal erosion right there. Little trip to the seaside done with, back to the nature trail. Some quite nice views around here too. Let's do it. Here we have a nice little pond. You wouldn't even know that was there. And back into the forest we go. Surely we must see something soon on this nature trail, even if it's an ant. It's amazing how all these trees are perfectly lined up. Hi guys, so thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Peace.